Hi everybody, welcome back to the vlogging 2 weeks in a row. That's good. I'm starting off this vlog first of all on a Tuesday because I'm not feeling super happy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know why, but I don't really feel like talking about it at the present moment. I need a bunch of plant pots for the cactus, the cacti that I got for my birthday, so we're gonna go I think I might stop at HomeSense first because it's close to me, but we might end up going to this really awesome plant store, but I just thought I'd check there first because if I don't have to drive super far, that would be nice. I need like dirt and stuff as well, so today we're just gonna be like repotting a bunch of cacti. Also this piece of my hair, it's killing me. It's killing me. Today is not the best hair day. What can I say? These are really cute. We are looking also for like a console table, something sort of in this size range, but we want it to be like have doors on it so we can store stuff in the dining room. I didn't have much luck. They didn't have much in the terms of planters, and I assumed that because of the time of year, but they did have this really nice like stand night table thing I thought would be really cute once we turn the spare bedroom into a spare bedroom. Right now it's my office, but I'm going to take a drive and go get some plant pots somewhere else. These ones are really nice color. I'm struggling to know what colors to get. I have a milk crate in there. So I got 3 pots. I have 1 pot at home. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this. I hope not because it was a far drive. But I have 1 pot at home that I think was gonna work. I don't know. I need to stop and get some soil, and that's pretty much it. We have come now to a greenhouse. I'm gonna look at their, well, mostly I'm here to get soil, but I'm gonna look at their pots too. Look at my mask, it's so cute. It's cows. If you guys didn't know, I really love cows. If any of you have a farm and have cows, can I have an invite to your house to hang out? Sleepovers with the cows? Okay, I have everything. Let's go. These are really cute with the legs. I've seen those before. But otherwise, like, not the cutest of pots. Those look cute. Yeah, these are probably the cutest, but don't love them. Okay, so I have a bunch of rocks here to help for drainage. Then I'm using a cactus potting mix. You want to use something that has like a fast draining. Now my cacti is massive, so I'm going to have to probably put this up against the wall. I'm literally making a huge mess. I should have done this outside, but it's raining. It's like a thick craft paper. This is gonna help us move him. Hold this cactus while I pot it.
Sure.
Because you're not doing it.
Remember we made that Jimmy rigged cable?
Can you stand over here?
No, that's from the house to the garage.
Oh.
This cable's from
yeah,
garage
yeah,
to studio, which is like almost right next to each other, you know?
We are talking about the studio because it's being delivered to the house tomorrow. I'm doing another weekly vlog. Oaks, look at this, look at this. Oaks is like very unhappy that there's a ball, 3 balls, buddy. Wow, this is so much easier when there's another person. If you can picture me doing the other one by myself, well, that's that personally. It was
Yeah, I can.
a nice time. Hi guys, it's quite early in the morning actually. I am in my studio space. You guys haven't seen my studio in so long, and I haven't really seen it in so long either. It's home to a box spring that we didn't use in the house, and it's home to a rug that we didn't use to a house. It's early. It's home to a rug that we didn't use in the house. And the reason I am here today is because today is the day we are going to be moving it. It took a while. We had to like make the deck in the backyard smaller, and what else do we have to do? Make the gate wider because it just logistically would not fit through. That took some time. It also took some time to book the guy to come and pick it up, the guy with like the specialty trailer. So I've been living without this, and I'm so excited, and I'm gonna pretty much fully renovate the studio because if you don't know, a lot of the stuff that's in the studio is in the house now, so it's gonna be blank, empty in here, and need some home decor stuff. What time is it actually? 9:30. Crap, I have a lot more to do than I thought. Oh, and the AC unit has to come out too. So, I guess I better get going and stop vlogging. Okay, I have to take off the outside lights because those can't travel with it. I'm just gonna tape these so they're not swinging around when we move it. We did it. Okay, it's now actually empty. The floors are so gross, ignore them. But it's now actually empty. That's just my stuff that has to go with me. And then I took the air conditioner out, so the outside is like all good to go too. So we just have to wait for him to arrive. I'm gonna do that outside so I see him when he comes. Okay, it has made it here, safe and sound. So I already put the lights up because there's hydro in here. So I just put the light bulbs in and untaped them. I haven't put up the fan yet because I just wasn't feeling like it. And also, my goodness, this floor is in the need of a paint.
Oh, you get hot. You get hot. You're so good. You're so good, you know. This is why I never wear black. Because this is what you do to black.
Hi guys. I am sorry for not vlogging every single day. I actually came to terms with the fact that, what's going on here? The sun is like going nuts right now. Oh my goodness, I have to show you the clouds. The clouds look like that, and it's just like constantly going in and out, full sun, no sun. Anyways, I came to terms with the facts that I would rather vlog like 3 days a week, some fun stuff, than vlog 5 days a week, some boring stuff. So I'm just gonna pick up my vlog camera on days that I think are worth vlogging. So yeah, it was great last week. I vlogged 5 days, that's fun, but so unrealistic. And if I'm gonna keep vlogging, I would rather just vlog the days that I feel like are worth saying something. Anyways, the studio is here. The hydro is set up. There's no heat yet because we have to change an outlet to use this specific heater. that like really keeps it like super duper 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 warm in there. And that's what I need because I'm working in there in the dead of winter. So there's no heat right now, so I'm not really like keen to be out there because it is kind of chilly. I have a story time for you about my cacti and why I haven't really shown you them yet. Holy shoot, oh there. It's like, okay, yeah, we had a nice time, bye. Michael had bought me a set of 3 cacti. They were very mature and they came in this same pot. It weighed so much. I think it weighed like 300 pounds or something crazy. Anyways, I noticed that one of them was sick and I noticed that it had stem rot, which means it was rotting from the inside out. And I had asked a bunch of people and I had talked around, and anyways, the best hope at saving the other 2 was separating them, which was an entire day process that I did not vlog. Oh my God, have you ever tried to untangle roots? Yeah, it was hard. It's very, very, very hard. Anyways, I did my best. The sun. This is whack. Sun, I'm trying to vlog. You need to just get it together here. Anywho, okay, so separated them, hoped for the best. I was emailing with the people at the nursery that I had got Michael had got the cactus from. Sun. I'm pissed. I ended up emailing with the plant care at the nursery where they had come from. We had a confirmed case of stem rot. They said to me, there's no way you could have caused it. They said, yeah, like stem rot wouldn't have happened this quick. We're gonna refund you your money, which was a lot of money, obviously because they were mature cacti. And so that happened. So now I have 3 sick cacti. Let me show you what's what. So this is the first cacti that is the very, very sick one. So this is pretty much where the stem rot is the worst. It's kind of gotten better over the last little while. So here's this video that I took showing kind of the state of the first cacti, and basically it having spread throughout almost the entire cacti. I feel as though I might be able to save this. I'm not sure that it's been infected yet because there are no black spots on it. There is black spot on him, black spot on him. So I might try to save this one, but I don't know because the ones that I separated, so I separated this cacti. Sorry, the light is just so horrendous to show you guys this. I thought it was doing okay, like it was our favorite. But if you look here, you can see that it's actually gotten to this guy. And yeah, this is something that's like happened in the last couple of days that did not used to be there. Anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with more of the cacti. It's just a very sad situation because I basically have to destroy them. Like there are parts that I can cut off to hopefully save them, but I do think too, like, is it worth it to like, I don't know, have this cacti that is sick and can infect my other ones? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually doing something for the living room right now. The living room makeover video. But thought I'd just vlog it because I can use the footage in both. I have these frames from IKEA. I always think that it's important, and like I love home decor, so I love that Michael lets me sort of do all the home decor that I like. I want my partner to be seen in the house. I don't know, that sounds ridiculous, but I just want a little bit of them in the house. I don't want it to be all me, whether or not he cares about the home decor or not. So that's where this is coming into play. I'm framing all of his band Cold Front. They've broken up now, but I'm framing all of their records. I just think it's a really nice thing, memory type thing, and I want to have them on display. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. So I got those frames. Now I have some foam core, and I'm gonna line up the backing of the frame. I'm gonna change the camera angle so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. I wish I had a bigger mat, but I don't. So So you can just do like a score line to start and then go down and do like a deeper one. I'm just gonna go under and move the mat out. Well, bam. And thank yous of this record. Me. Michael and I weren't even dating at this time. We were just pals. Okay, then it's really good to have like a ruler on hand because you want to make sure it's centered. So then I have a bunch of these. They're from sewing, and I'm just gonna use these as like push pins basically. And I have these little metal wire cutters, and I'm just gonna cut them to the length I need them to be. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think what I'm gonna do is get a little bit of super glue and just on each of these pins, like put a little bit of super glue so that the pin really stays in place. Okay, well, if you're my cactus fairy godmother, you have a couple days before I send these back, so let me know. Here's the outcome of everything. Looks really nice. I haven't actually put the frames on yet, but it looks really nice. This will be part of the living room makeover, which again, I like having a little of him somewhere in the house, you know? Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!